Want to know the best reasons to shop at Beaner Audi of Great Neck? Just ask their customers. They'll tell you the many reasons why Beaner Audi has been New York's #1 Audi dealer for 11 consecutive years.
Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. The features included on this vehicle add quality, value, comfort, and dependability to an already enjoyable ride. Safety is often a big concern, and if it's important to you, know this car is equipped with the right safety equipment. Call today to schedule a test drive.
At Beaner Audi, we're committed to making you our #1 customer. Stop in and see for yourself.
Beaner Audi of Great Neck. Clearly a step above.